Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to fix camera failed during meeting in Google Sheets on computer. So how to fix camera failed during meeting in Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Next, just create a new meeting. Move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are several menus here. Tap this camera menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Start a New Meeting menu. Now here a meeting call will appear on the right side of the screen. And enlarge the meeting screen. Move the cursor to the top right of the screen. And tap this icon. Now here you can see the meeting or call display on Google Sheets. Can be seen here. I can't use or activate it. To activate it, move the cursor to the top left of the screen. Tap this icon. A scrolling menu will appear. And then activate the camera here. To the meeting display again. Now here I will turn on the camera. Now you can see the camera can be used in the meeting. So that's it, tutorial how to create a meeting in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.